Hola amigo. Hello friends, welcome Spanish languages lessons learn with Sabir. We will learn basics of Spanish basic languages. They are easy and simple. Languages animated channel more easier and more fun. Let's start lesson without your wasting of your precious time. Now, for example, if you want to ask someone like, do you speak Spanish? Or do you speak English? You can ask like this, ¿Habla usted español? ¿Habla usted español? Mean, do you speak Spanish? Now this formal way. ¿Habla usted español? It is mean, do you speak Spanish? Now, this is formal way. Let's learn how this question in formal way. It is like this. ¿Hablas español? ¿Hablas español? Also mean, do you speak Spanish? Now, you can change name of the languages. Rather you want to ask English or Spanish or any. Habla means speak, usted means you. Español mean is Spanish. Habla means is speak and usted mean you, and español means is Spanish, habla usted? Do you speak? Formal also habla means do you speak informal, so habla usted español. You can answer saying yes, a little. If you're Spanish not good you can say sí, un poco. Sí un poco, sí un poco. It's mean yes, a little. Sí mean yes and un poco mean little. Now I will give you more small phrases. Common in all languages. Sí mean yes, and no means same English language no, and pero means but, and vamos mean vamos, let's go, and entiendo means is I understand. And no entiendo, I do not understand. Now let's start here. Until let's note, while learning Spanish, if you listen you are able to speak Spanish. For this take notes, participate is your home. So you can remember better, just write in your notebooks and repeat again and again every day. After you listen, I am sure you sí mean yes, and no means same English language no, and pero means but, and vamos mean vamos, let's go. Let's go, and entiendo means is I understand. And no entiendo, I do not understand. Now let's start here. Until let's note, while learning Spanish, if you listen you are able to speak Spanish. For this take notes, participate is your home. So you can remember better, just write in your notebooks and repeat again and again every day. After you listen, I am sure you start Spanish. I hope everything is clear. If it is help, like this video, because it will be motivate me to make more lesson, and subscribe Learn with Sabir channel and more Spanish lesion. Hasta luego. See you later.